Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back my YouTube channel, guys. Everybody now about my channel always provide informative and interesting information, such as I will discuss about mermaid dresses. Mermaid dresses are very beautiful and very gorgeous and very trendy. Okay, guys, if you are watching my videos and you are like my videos and agree with, if you are agree with my all information, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and it's likes and share it with your friends. Okay, let us discuss about the mermaid dresses. Mermaid dresses, what is the meaning of the mermaid dresses? Mermaid dresses is a meaning of the cocktail and jalpari. Okay, jalpari is a fish like which indicate much more marked sail hot at the waist, at the tail quite similar to a fish tail. Okay, however, it was not until 1930 that designer Markel Roche's popular, okay, sized. The mermaid dress is a hot cutter cut work. Okay, cut work, one of the most iconic moments of the mermaid silhouettes was when Swedish model Lisa von Centuriev's pen was photographed by her husband Edwin Pen for the September issue of a VQ 1950. From then on, the mermaid dresses become the more favorite design of the Hollywood actress of the 50%. Marilyn Monroe to Wright Hollywood and the Dorothy Bandridge. Mermaid dresses are very beautiful and it is the most latest and most gorgeous dress and it's a look a very beautiful and look like a fish tail dresses. Okay, it's all the different types and the different dresses. Okay, very beautiful dresses. I like it very much because mermaid dresses is still one of the top choices among the women. Nowadays, design is a worn for the red carpet, parties, weddings, and its sensuality combined with femininity never loses its elegancy, and has become a safe choice to every occasion. And you'll increase present in it the latest collection, Origin 2022, at the Boho Soul line, which is the composed of the various mermaid dresses. And here are the some of the mermaid dresses are with all of these the mermaid dresses, and not only for their the wedding dress. Celebrities also choose the design for the personal and professional occasions. Hope so, guys. You are also like my video and please subscribe on YouTube channels, guys. Please don't forget me in your prayers. Please remember me in your prayers and please subscribe my YouTube channel. If you are subscribe my YouTube channel, then I am appreciate you.